Good morning students, hope everyone doing good. Today's class is on logarithmic differentiation, which is very important topic in chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. It's very important in the simplifications process also. It needs a lot of practice for logarithmic differentiation. See, before I start the logarithmic differentiation, just I ask you a few questions here. Look, you know very well what is the derivative of x power n. D by dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Remember here x is the variable. Okay. Next, what is the derivative of a power x, which is a power x log a, which is a power x log a. And when you get the questions like this, look, when you get the questions here, the x is the variable, here this x is the variable. Now that means in the first formula the base is variable. In the second formula exponent is variable. Exponent is variable. That means you have to understand that these two formulas I can use when one of the exponent or base is constant, so that I can apply x power n means I can apply n into x power n minus 1. A power x means I can apply a power x into log a formula. But the question is if it is, see, x power x, here what is this? Both base and exponent, both are variables. When you get that both base and exponent both are variables, how to differentiate? This time I will use the concept which I am going to explain now. That means here when exponent is constant, you learnt the problems related to that. When the base is constant, you learnt the problems related to that. But if both exponent and base, like x power x, x power sin x, here both base and exponent both are variables. When this kind of situations are coming, the differentiation we have to use in this differentiation we have to take the help of logarithms. Then it will become very easy to differentiate. Otherwise we do not have the process of finding x power x, x power sin x without taking the logarithms help. We do not have the process of finding the differentiation of those functions. So we must take the help of logarithms. For that you need to know these first three basic formula, which are, look, starting it is, I have written three formulas here. You see, logarithmic, these formulas are very important for this. When it is log a into b, when it is log a into b, it is log a plus log b. Log a into b, it is log a plus log b. Okay, minute. Once again. When it is log a into b, which is log a plus log b. When it is log a by b, you can write it as log a minus log b. Means when it is logarithm, the multiplication changes to addition and individual logs will come like this, log a plus log b. When it is division, the division changes to minus, log a minus log b, log a minus log b. When it is exponent, log a power b, you can write it as b log a. Log a power b can be written as b log a. These can be proved by using exponents and powers concept, which is in 8th standard and 9th standard. But I am not concentrating on those proofs now, because it is very important to learn the formula, this formula. Then with the formula we can easily solve the problems. Proofs in one day, in fine day I will discuss, but these three formulas you need to remember. What is the three formula? Log ab is equal to log a plus log b, log a by b is equal to log a minus log b, log a power b is equal to b log a. These three formulas you need to remember for this. Okay. Next, look, now we will see the problems related to this concept, that is when and where we use these formulae. Now for that I told you before, when I started the class I told you, see, a power x means a constant, x power n means n constant, a power x formula a power x log a, x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. That is what I am explaining again here. Here a and n are constants, but when the case comes like this, x power x means variable power variable, both exponent and base, both base and exponent are variables. What formula I need to use? Both base and exponent are variables. What formula I need to use? I should know. because here both base and exponents are variables. What formula, what the way, formula 9, what the way I have to solve. To solve this kind of exponential functions, means variable power variable exponential functions, we may use the logs. How to use the logs process? You see, first take the given function as c. What is given function? X power x. First to take the given function as y is equal to x power x. Okay. First to take the given function as y is equal to x power x. Now they are asking dy by dx, because differentiation of x power x is what? Your base and exponent both are variables. Now see, you apply log on both sides for this. Y is equal to x power x, apply log on both sides. So it is log y is equal to log x power x. Log y is equal to log x power x. The third formula, which is log a power b is equal to b log a. Log a power b is equal to b log a. So this x will come, exponent x is coming before the log x log x. So the third formula was applied here, x log x, log y is equal to x log x. Now differentiate, this is an implicit function of exercise 5.3 or like that. This is an implicit function. Now differentiate on both sides with respect to x. What will happen? You see, log y derivative is 1 by y into dy by dx, because chain rule, because I am differentiating with respect to x. So it is 1 by y into dy by dx is compulsory. Now here x into log x product is there. So use product rule. Product rule u dash v plus uv dash. So x dash into log x plus x into log x whole dash. Now left hand side keep it as it is, 1 by y dy by dx is equal to x ka derivative is 1 into log x is log x, x into log x derivative is 1 by x, then x and x cancel. Okay. Then you get this 1 by y is there, no? You send it on this side. So it is y into the whole thing what I get here, log x plus 1. But what is y? I assumed x power x before. Y is equal to x power x we took before, no? I just substitute x power x into log x plus 1 is the derivative of x power x. Finally, we got to know what is the derivative of a variable power variable function, that is x power x into log x plus 1. It is x power x means that, but if it is x power sin x, like x power sin x, some other answer will come. If it is sin x power 1 by x, some other answer will come, but process will be same. But process will be same for all the questions. So taking y, applying log, using u by v rule or uv rule, things will come one by one. Look, one more question. Similar way, few problems will become more complex in differentiation. If we do it directly, such problems can be solved easily by using these three formula. Some other formulas, not only exponential, variable power variables, some problems will be more complex in direct differentiation, like this problem you see. In exercise also they are there, 5.6 I think. See, differentiate x root over x minus 1 into x minus 2 by x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 with respect to x. Here what I have to do in the normal process, you look. In the normal process, it is, since it is root is there, since here root is there, 1 by 2 root of that function into d by dx of this, because chain rule. But when I apply u by v rule here, see, first I multiply like this, because we multiply x minus 1 into x minus 2 is this, x plus 2 into 2x minus 3 is this, multiply and write. Then what I have to apply? U by v rule. U by v rule I apply directly, and then so much of long process will come, long simplification will come. It looks very complex, but by using logs, how it become very easy. See the question first. This using logs, always you take y is equal to something. This one we take it as y. Then apply log on both sides. See, what is given question? Given question is y is equal to this I took. Then but root means whole power 1 by 2. Root over something is there, no? That I wrote something power 1 by 2. But apply log on both sides simultaneously. Log y is equal to log of whole power 1 by 2. But when whole power 1 by 2 is there, get 1 by 2 to the before the log. Then here see, x minus 1 into x minus 2 can be written as log of x minus 1 into x minus 2 minus log of x plus 2 into 2x minus 3. Okay. So then immediately it is log x minus 1 plus log x minus 2 minus log x plus 2 minus log 2x plus 2x minus 3. Okay. Hope you understand how I did it, because product become plus. Here also plus, but before minus sign is there, that's why it is minus. First exponent is gone to the before log, then products becomes plus, then directly differentiate. Now easily will come. See, you differentiate this one, log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx of into log x minus 1 derivative 1 by x minus 1, log x minus 2 derivative 1 by x minus 2, log x plus 2 derivative minus 1 by x plus 2, minus log 2x minus 3 derivative is minus 2 by 2x minus 3. Okay. Hope you understand. Then this 1 by y is there, you send on to this side. So, y by 2 into that given whatever we got it. Okay. Any doubt is there, please ask me, no problem. Immediately. So, just rewind this and revise it again, watch the video again and again. Doubts are there, you can post in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Next question is differentiate cos x. This is also textbook question. Cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x with respect to x. Take y is equal to, then immediately apply log on both sides. Since that product is there 2 times, so apply product rule. That is, product means what? Log a cos x plus log cos 2x plus log cos 4x, because since product become plus in the logs. Now differentiate with respect to x. So then log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx. Now applying sine rule, each and everything derivative. 1 by cos x into minus sin x, cos x derivative. 1 by cos 2x into minus sin 2x into 2, because 2x ka derivative also, this 2x derivative also needed. 1 by cos 4x into minus sin 4x into 4, because 4x derivative. Sine rule is applied. So then immediately after the simplification, if I do, I get minus tan x minus 2 tan 2x minus 4 tan 4x, because sin by cos is tan. Take minus common, then this y also send this side, minus y into tan x plus tan 2 tan 2x plus 4 tan 4x. That is the differentiation of the given function cos x, cos 2x, cos 4x. Okay. Substitute y is equal to whatever it is. Now see this exponent is variable, base also variable, x power log x. Base is x, exponent is log x, variable power variable. Now for this also this process, only this process, y is equal to x power log x. Then what is log y? Log of x power log x. So exponent whatever it is there, it will come to the before the log. Okay. Then this log x is the exponent into log x is left. But what is log x into log x? Log x whole square. Now after this simplification, differentiate with respect to x. It is log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx, 2 log x into 1 by x, because sine rule, because log x whole square is 2 log x into 1 by x sine rule. So this y send that side 2y log x by x, y will send that side 2y log x by x, y means what? X power log x. Substitute. See the question. Okay. Next, similar way, differentiate the following with respect to x. X power sin x, I take y is equal to x power sin x, apply log on both sides, log y is equal to log x power sin x, log y is equal to sin x will come to the before the log, sin x into log x. Next again, sin x and log x are there, uv rule, u into v, differentiate with respect to x, log y derivative is 1 by y dy by dx, it will come continuously, every problem log y is 1 by y dy by dx, it will come in every problem, but after differentiation only it will come. Okay. Next, then after that 1 by y dy by dx sin x whole dash into log x plus sin x into log x whole dash. Differentiate and write, this 1 by y will be sent to the side, so that I get the answer like this, y into cos x log x plus sin x by x. If you leave here also no problem, if you substitute what is y also no problem, that is sin x power sin x derivative. Okay. So every time we are taking y is equal to something, applying log, differentiating on both sides. Similarly, the question is y is equal to sin x power 1 by x, take apply log on both sides, the exponent will come to the before log, 1 by x log sin x. For every problem the exponent will come here like this. So log sin x by x this is. Okay, what is this? Log sin x by x. So log y is equal to this. This time what happened when I differentiate both sides, here log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx, log sin x by x, u by v rule is applied. So 1 by y dy by dx, u by v rule, u dash v minus u v dash by v square. So, differentiate very carefully and then final answer please write down, that is fine. Okay. Next question, differentiate x cos x whole power x with respect to x. Take y is equal to x power x cos x whole power x. So, log y is equal to log x cos x whole power x. Log y is equal to log x cos x whole power x. So, power x will come as like this, x into log x cos x. So, log x cos x is log x plus log cos x, log x plus log cos x. Now, differentiate both sides with respect to x. Log y derivative is y 1 by y dy by dx, u dash v plus u into v dash, like that it has come. Now, differentiate carefully and write all the things. X dash derivative 1, v will be as it is, x into log x derivative 1 by x log cos x with chain rule. Now, then what happened? This 1 by y send that side, y into whatever you got it, you write it here. Done. Next question, this is like important model. If x power y is equal to e power x y, then prove that dy by dx is equal to log x plus log x divided by 1 plus log x whole square. This question is like before class we had questions, simplification before differentiation. This is also needed a simplification before differentiation. Here we will have to take the logarithms help again. See, x power y is equal to e power x minus y is given. Apply log on both sides, log x power y is equal to log e power x minus y. Then exponents will come before log, y log x is equal to x minus y into log e. Remember, log e value is 1. Then x minus y as it is. Then what is next step? Y log x is equal to x minus y. Bring minus y to the left hand side, y log x plus y is equal to x, take y common, log x plus 1 is equal to x. So, then what is y? X by 1 plus log x. What is y? X by 1 plus log x. Now, differentiate dy by dx, you find out u by v rule you apply. You know u by v rule formula, what is u by v rule formula? U dash v minus u v dash divided by v square, same thing I did here. So, what is u? X. What is v? 1 plus log x. Differentiate it using u by v rule. You will have to have lot of patience and you will have to do the problems parallelly, so that you will understand. Okay, lot of hard work also needed in this way. So, 1 plus log x into 1 by x, because 1 derivative 0, log x derivative is 1 by x. X and x cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So, finally, you get log x by 1 plus log x whole square, hence proved. See, proved. Understood? That is the question. Hope you understand everything what I explained you. So, slowly write down the notes, once again watch the video, again and again do the problems parallelly along with my explanation, you do the problem, then you will understand properly. Thank you very much. Thank you very much everyone.